Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off sounds within the Raid Shadow Legends game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Raid Shadow Legends game on your device. And if you haven't logged into your game already, log in using your Facebook or your Plarium ID. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, you might need to go through the basic tutorial levels if you're playing for the first time. After you complete these levels and get access to your main menu, if you wish to turn off the sound, just tap on your user ID at the top left corner. This will then open up your profile, from which tap on options underneath. And now you will see the music as well as sound effects volume. You can simply turn the sliders to the leftmost side in order to set the sound and music to 0. And now you will not hear any more sounds within your game. You can continue to enjoy your game now as you would do normally without any sounds. You can turn back these settings on at any point of time that you wish by going back into the options menu. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off sounds within the Raid Shadow Legends game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.